Hello, everybody. It is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with hashtag 30 Weeks of a Pocket Letter, week 20. And I used the new paper I picked up from Peachy Cheap, had this bundle. It's called 31 by Prima. I just love the color when I saw it, and plus it worked with some Dollar Tree stickers, and you'll see that in a second as well. And it came with the paper pad, some ephemera, some puppy stickers, and a thing of Heidi Swap washi tape, which I didn't use. To me, it didn't match. So, what I did here is I stitched around each one of the cards, and I have washi tape going down the edge, going across, on the side, have some trim on the side and some string, made a little tassel, and I'll show that here in a second. But let's start. The first one, it has cauldrons, the magic book, the witch's hat. I took the spider web up on top and the kitty cat. And I outlined these images this time on each one as well. And that is the first pocket. Second pocket says, since 1692, Witch's Brood, portion number 666. Brewed with only the finest of all natural ingredients and a grand tradition of Salem's finest witches. That there. It's Halloween. Got an old school picture of a witch and an owl. There's a little girl down here. It says Happy Halloween. And then I made a shaker in the center. And then I got some jack-o'-lanterns, candy corn 31. Right here is a ghost, some candy corn. Got a jack-o'-lantern that says Hey Pumpkin. And a witch and the candy corn. And that's how the first one looks. So here's the first row. And the second. Gotta fix that. Keeps coming up. And then the third row. And of course, I always do the back. Oh, here's the trim. I'll just show you the trim. I took some string and I got a little ghost. They're kind of like orange, yellow beads in a little puff ball. And then a spider. And then this one has like little jack-o'-lantern beads, puff ball beads. And I just have it on there. And then, of course, the trim. Black string and orange and white in there. And then we turn it over. And this is these stickers, both sets. I use a little bit of both from the Dollar Tree. And the back side of the paper, it was double-sided, so I had to double it myself. And then I used out of a I don't 6x6 pad I had these little cutouts for sayings. I used them. I have a bat, and it says I'm batty for you. A little ghost, too cute to spook. Happy, happy Halloween, and I got the pumpkins. Let's get spooky, and I have a little ghost with the sunglasses, and of course there's the shaker. And then this one, it says Happy Halloween. I got the little crossbows. Boo for you, little ghost. Happy, happy, happy Halloween. Got a spider, some pumpkins. And this one's the bottom. I put a spell on you. Little stars in each corner. Oh, crossbones in there. And that's what the back sides looks like. So let's show you again. And that's the back side. I'm enjoying doing these. So that is week 20 of the Pocket Letter. Hashtag 30 weeks of the Pocket Letter. Now you can join in at any time and do a Pocket Letter. Just upload it on Wednesdays after 2 Central. That's my time too. And just hashtag it 30 weeks of a Pocket Letter. I hope you guys are enjoying these. This one was fun because I purposely, when I saw this paper, and I thought, man, that would work great with the Dollar Tree stickers. And I think it did. I think it was a good combo with that. I think it looked really good with that paper. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday. And as always, Be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.